Hi friends, Namaskar. I am Anita. Today I am going to make bell pepper cake. So here are the ingredients. So I have taken the chopped 1/2 cup of bell pepper, fine chopped, half carrot which I have fine chopped, 1 onion medium size which I have fine chopped, some cilantros I have chopped, 3 eggs, chili, chopped green chili, and the bell pepper which I have cut like rings. So I have taken a red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper, and the 2 to 3 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, oil, salt as per taste. So taken bowl, I already taken all-purpose flour. Add the bell peppers, the fine chopped bell pepper, then add fine chopped carrot, 2 tablespoons. Take onion, fine chopped onion, which 3 tablespoons. Cilantro, salt as per taste, chili. Now I am going to add the egg. 3 eggs I am going to add. So I am going to mix now. It should be thick paste, not very thin. Now mixture is ready. So friends, now pan is very hot. Now I am going to put the oil on the pan and spread it well. Then I am going to place the bell pepper ring on the pan. Now fill the mixture in the bell pepper ring. It's very easy and quick. So you can have this one as a breakfast, as a side dishes. So you can have this one as a snack. So friends, now we are going to cook on low flame about 5 minutes. So friend, now 5 minutes over. So I am going to flip the bell peppers. Now bell pepper ring is cooked both sides. You can check. So I will take out on the plate. So now I am going to garnishing the bell pepper. So friends, now bell pepper cake is ready. So you can have this one. It's very hot now. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to comment in the box below. Thank you. Bye.